I don't know what I'm talking about right now. I feel... Yeah. Real talk with you guys, alright? I don't know. I'm not feeling so good. But yeah. Bird story, man. Trying to find you a home, you little homie. Do anything. Just you and me. And we'll go across the world from land to sea to live out the final chapters of our fantasy. Through pain and misery, and how the storm bends and breaks, and how our feet they crawl, and in pain and in ache. You and me against the world, but I wouldn't have it any other way. Because the truth is that you're my partner. That's all I need and want. That's all I have to say. Another home. I don't think this is your home. You still can't fly though. That's the problem. Sorry buddy. Come on. There's only 2 more options. On a quest to find you a home, my best friend. And I fear that our journey will meet an end. But I don't understand. Don't think you know. We're trying to go. So it looks like I'm halfway done through the game. This is pretty sad. I actually kind of like it, even though I haven't been playing it for a while. It's a good game, guys. Actually, I probably should have said this in the first game, but if you're still watching this, I still recommend that you know, go play the game yourself. I don't know. Or watch someone else who's better than me. Oh yeah, fuck, we have to go find your home. But yeah, I'm still... It's nice. I like it. That's all I have to say. Here we go. Here's your home. Man. It's a lot of work getting you home, man. Oh, that's not your house, is it? No? Alright, buddy. Well, it's all the nest. And that's the way that the cookie or the nest crumbles into straw. So we couldn't find you a home. That's beautiful. This is what made in RPG Maker, right? Oh wait, yo, something's happening right now. Something's indeed happening. Oh shit. Good night, buddy. Oh fuck. No. Hey there, kid. Hey. So, what's wrong? Okay, you're running to school? Alright, so you were out late, you got caught, and now your mom's concerned. Wait, okay, now she's following you. You gotta let the bird out. You can't keep him anymore. Okay, go back. Nope. Alright, so you snuck back into your room. Here. I need something. What's going on right now? Okay. I don't understand. I'm guessing that's your mom, but then why is her face blurred out? Unless she's like an irrelevant character and that's how it all is. Okay, screen. It's weird. So you got caught, you snuck out, and then you snuck back in to get your stuff, or something I'm missing here. No one's at school. Okay. Oh shit. Run. What is going on right now? I'm so confused. Like, is that the veterinarian? Maybe that is, actually. And she's like, I'm looking for this one kid. Oh, yeah, you guys suck. Not even close, baby. Huh, I wonder where this kid is. Okay. What? Please! Please, what? Hey, yo. What the? So you basically beat them up, and then you ran into yourself? This took a strangely dark turn for like a happy-go-lucky child's game. You locked the teachers into their doors. That's... What is happening right now? God damn it. Oh god. Alright, first of all, like, if that's... That can't be the veterinarian, because, like, she made her way into your room. Like... Other than that, like, that's breaking into your house right there. Uh-oh. It's raining. Yo, check up on the bird. Okay, let's go. Come inside, buddy. There you go. Man. How's your wing doing? Can you fly? Oh, you look sad. They're still recording. There we go. Oh, yeah, it is a veterinarian. But then she broke into your house, man, dude. Oh wait, did she? Yeah, she did. Is it time for school already? Damn. You're... Man. You gotta take him back. You can't take care of him. He needs to be better. I know it's cool and all, but it's better than, you know, it getting worse. Oh, this is sad. The music's all sad now. Is there anything I can do here? What happened to all the splashy splash and the happy parts, man? Dude, come on. Trying to play video games here. Music? There's another note. Dude, get the umbrella this time, okay? Use the bathroom. There is some brown things in there. Did you not flush? Did you not flush the toilet? Bastard. Yeah, man. Get the umbrella. Come on. Go. Good job. Oh, there's no splashing today? Come on, man. Dude, splashing's your favorite, though. It's your guys' favorite. Something tells me I'm gonna get hit by a car here. No? That would be tragic if that happened. Come on, buddy. Hey, can you go back there? Yeah, you can. Nope. I'm stuck. Damn it. Alright, let's go back. Alright, you know what to do, buddy. It's time for you to go. I'm sorry. No matter... Wait, I'm trying to press... Alright. That's depressing, man. Oh, God. You gonna make me cry. Don't do this to me. Come on. I'm pressing the other button. Try and shoot. God. Okay. Aw, dude. Jump up. Go up. Dude, come on, you can fly. That's fucking awesome. I don't know. I still like... I know this is serious and all, but that fucking plane is awesome. Come on, you and me. We fly together. Jump, buddy. Alright, so I have a choice here, don't I? Oh wait, never mind. It's just gonna be a cutscene. And then they're all like, what the fuck? He's flying a paper airplane. Yeah, cause... Oh fuck, this is... Come on, you and me, buddy. Against the world. We're reaching the final chapters here. Dude, you're all wet and cold and... Oh fuck, no. We are not falling here. Come on. Come on, buddy. There's nothing I can do. Stop it. God, please. God, please. I'm trying to play video games here. Come on. Ah, God. No. Alright, looks like can I... It's okay, buddy. I got you. Come on. We made it to the end. Uh-oh. Dude, this is why you have the umbrellas, so you can use it to fly. Man, this is why you always carry an umbrella with you. You hear that, kids? So in the end, he like jumped off a cliff. That's sad. There's all the papers, man. Oh shit, I should probably move that out of the way. I'm sorry guys if the cursor was in the way. I can't see it sometimes, but like it shows up on the recording. Oh man. Dude, did he just die? Bird? What happened? Where's the bird, yo? Where's miscarriage? Miscarriage! Miscarriage! Alright, I'm guessing we go this way. Miscarriage? Oh, here's your backpack. Miscarriage is not there, though. Oh, you can hear him. Is he okay? He's over there. Is he... He's alive, right? No. So he died. I could make a joke about how miscarriage died. But no. That's so hey there. That's cool. Now people interact with you. But you don't want any of that, do you? Hey there. That's nice. Can you go back to the classrooms? Nope, you can't. Alright, let's keep going. I can't tell if miscarriage died or not, like, it's all very ambiguous. I'm guessing he did, because you saw a bird get carried away by another bird, and that was also where the page was. But, I don't know. There's a page over there. I swear, if I see like a tombstone, I'm gonna be super depressed. Miscarriage? Me? I can't walk by there. Look. Look. That bush is in the way. With my new mobile suit on. Oh, there's me again. Thanks, trees. I was creeped out before, but now I enjoy your company. Let's go home. Two, 5, 2. Can I go on you? I guess it's true. Man. This is, there's no man at the desk. I guess there doesn't need to be anymore. Sorry, man. No bird this time. Alright, it's my stop. You know what? You and me, we don't really know each other, but I like you the most. Oh, I see. You're taking a minimalist approach to all this. Because that door has now disappeared. It has disappeared into reality. Hey look, there's another note. This time I'm not gonna skip it because I'm not an asshole. Why don't you read it? Okay, fine, fuck you. Are you trying to collect all the pages right now? There's no bird outside waiting for you this time, is there? Nope. Guess there's no need for that anymore, huh? Oh, you're refilling it. I used to stare at her phone, sacrificing sleep for the hope that one day she'll call, knowing that full well that she never will. I know that feel, man. I can identify with you. One day, you should come back. You think? But no matter what you do, man, sometimes it just ain't enough, kiddo. There aren't enough miracles to go around, kid. Sorry, but it's the truth. We find comfort in trying, and hope, and believing in a world that depends only on deceiving. You and I, kid. You and I. I swear if that's it, I'm gonna be really disappointed. I mean, it's a beautiful ending, I'm not gonna lie, but like, that's just depressing as fuck. Wait, dude, do you hear that? Yo, get out of bed. Come on. Come on, dude, it's time to play video games. Come on, dude, get up! Get up, you stupid! Go, 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 go! Dude, check it out! Dude, he's all tricked out with his broken wing. Dude, he's like the Mach 5, man. Hey, look. Yo. Looks like he found a new gal. Look, dude, he's flying. Check it out, man. Yo. Dude, come on. Go with him. Oh wait, we're taking out the bandages. We're officially letting go. Beautiful. I guess this is goodbye. Hey, what you got? He finally did it. Finally did it, man. That's nice. Come on. You know what to do. Be free, man. We're letting him go, right? Nice. Oh, well. That was a bird story. A story about birds. And I was not disappointed this time. Alright guys, well, you know what, thanks for watching, and I guess I'll see you guys next time.